Today we're going to be picking this Falcon lock. It's a very interesting little lock there, nice keyway. What I'm going to use to pick it is this beautiful Ratyoke pick. It's aluminum, anodized aluminum handle, very gorgeous, feels great in the hand. Very skilled craftsmanship. Anyway, let's get her open. I don't even know how many pins are in this thing. I've never picked it. Found them at work. Got a few. Don't know the bidding or anything on it. Don't really care. There it is. That's the bolt retracted. There it is back. No key. Thanks for watching.